taking a couple minutes here today to try to fix some of these big holes in this culvert. You can see that I basically just stuffed it with rocks. I've got another big hole here and another big hole here. Again, just kind of crammed a bunch of old rocks in there, and what I'm going to do is, I don't know, just cover it up with some more concrete. That's about all I can do. Just kind of try to fix it from breaking away anymore. You can see it goes over this creek here. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and get this project started. As you can see, I've got the generator here running to my drill over here with the paddle bit on the end of it there. Got some water in a little container there and my concrete bucket. Go ahead and get all this stuff mixed together and get it all dumped in those holes. Well, there's about one bag in the first hole, so it looks like each one of these holes is going to take approximately 2 bags of concrete. So I guess I better go ahead and get the rest of them all mixed up. Then I'll go ahead and, I got some rocks in that hole still. And then I'll go ahead and fill this one in too. Well, we got the concrete poured here. That's a 1 bag on that end hole, kind of sealing all those rocks in there. The nice thing about doing this type of work is that I don't have to worry about what it really looks like. I just kind of gotta slop it on there and hopefully it'll hold. I went ahead and put some rocks in that center hole and a little bit more concrete on the end here. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these bags mixed up and get this completely done, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, all the holes are filled. That's 2 bags in that hole, 2 bags in that hole, and 2 bags on that end hole there. And that's how I do concrete work to fix a culvert out in the middle of nowhere. Generator, drill, bucket, a little water from that creek down there. Everything turned out pretty good. Hopefully it'll last for several more years to come. I really appreciate you stopping by today and hanging out with me and watching what'll probably be the most boring video you're going to watch all day today. But if it wasn't the most boring video you've watched all day today, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.